Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, the RoseCraft group, I know there's a ton of you out there, are looking forward to these. Now, I've shown these on SKL this past weekend, but I just really wanted to show you guys their new packaging. This is pretty, they've kind of moved, looks like they've moved away, sorry, grabbing one of the old ones, I didn't do that, from the previous packaging to now doing the, I really like the way these look. Nothing wrong with these. I'm really digging these. I like the big RoseCraft blades across the top, the front. Very, very cool packaging. And then it's got, you know, always hand built. Just some information on the back. Very, very cool. I like these boxes. But we need to get to the knives. The boxes are nice. Now, this is a very popular pattern from RoseCraft, the Tanasi Lake Teardrop. Gonna go in a little bit more. Now, I'm gonna show you the original, and you can see that there are definitely some differences going on here. A few minor changes. Obviously, one of the big ones that you can see right off the bat is now the Tanasi Lake has the diamond. We're back to the suits of the deck of cards. We've got the diamond vice the rosebud shield. Now, that blue bone, super sexy. Oh, dapper jig bone. And I'm going to tell you what, guys. There's going to be a little bit of a teaser. So stick around. When we're done taking a look at the Tanasi Lake, I'm going to share that little teaser with you. But anyway, you're going to see the obvious differences right now. New diamond shield versus the rosebud. Now, of course, the original was in D2, where the new ones are in 14C, 28N. Let's take a look at the blue bone first, because this blue bone, dark blue, I mean, this, you had the lighter, smooth bone, and now you've got this darker jig bone, but which I think absolutely looks fantastic. And as always, these the hand jigging that's done on these is absolutely amazing. Back spring, yeah, dang. And everything, all hand jig. This is not machine done. This is done by hand, and it's done so extremely well. Absolutely. Of course, you can see it has got my favorite blade. That didn't change. The blade steel, as I mentioned, changed. 14C, 28N on these. And you'll notice something else. Take a good look right there. Now, I said I've had these open. I showed them on SKL. But look at the stamp. No more stickers. Do I have anything against it saying China on it? Absolutely not. But as you can see, it is now stamped, where before it was not. You had the sticker. So just some little different changes going on with them. I think you took a good pattern in the Tanasi Lake. I like the teardrop. As a matter of fact, I mean, you guys have heard me talking several times. I may or may not in the past have suggested a teardrop pattern to someone. I really like the teardrop pattern. And, of course, it would have been red. But, yeah, you get the various, you know, you got a little light spot there, but that's how bone takes dye. But this one took it very, very well. You don't have a whole lot of light spots. Just looks absolutely fantastic. So let's go back. Long pull. Now, again, that's the other thing about, we've seen some progression in these 14C28N knives. When they first started using it, different factory, maybe not, but the pulls were a lot stronger than the D2 previous. I mean, there was a couple of strong ones in there, absolutely, but for the most part, they had very good pulls on them. And when they started using the 14C, the pulls got a lot consistently stronger. This one, that's a nice 5.5. You know, very, very nice. Kicks into the half stop very well. Walk and talk is fantastic. Yeah, these are done so very well. Let's take a look. I'm going to set that off to the side so we can get a good look at that dapper jigged bone. I know this is a very popular cover material for them. Again, the transitions, the pins. Now you can slightly see the back spring on this one, where the first one, maybe it was just the lighting. I mean, it's there, but they're so well done. And I mean, if I see the seams, I'm not mad. There's no gapping or anything like that. It's just, they're there. But man, again, the transitions, the jigging, it's absolutely wonderful. Again, that 5.5, they're very similar. And let's go back to the original. Yeah. They feel almost exactly the same. Nice snap, nice pop. And that is my favorite blade they do. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm a drop point guy. Pretty easy. Fit and finish, construction, just a fantastic overall. And of course, again, there you go. There's your stamping. So some differences between old and new. And when I say new, I mean new cover materials, not the new pattern, because like I said, we have the original Tanasi Lake right there. Went from the rosebud to the diamond. I kind of like that myself. Nothing against the rosebud shield. I like to play cards. And I love that they use the diamond, heart, spade, club. I absolutely do love that. So, and now we got 14C, 28N, and a stamped blade, vice, the sticker for where it's made. All improvements that I am absolutely in favor of. The stickers just left the gunk on the blade, you know. I mean, it's easy to clean off. Alcohol pad, it's gone in like 5 seconds. But now you don't have to do that. Now you don't have to worry about it. It's just there. So, another great selection in cover materials by Andy and RoseCraft. Absolutely. I did talk about a teaser. And the teaser I have for you is, guys, there is a very popular pattern coming out of the vault. And it is the first pattern to come out of the vault. And not only is it a very popular pattern, but it is coming back in probably 2 of the most popular cover materials and designs. I am so looking forward to that. Now, just had to throw that out there real quick. But these guys, now, the Tanasi Lake drops today, 11 p.m., or excuse me, noon Eastern. Noon Eastern. I said p.m. What the hell? Excuse me. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, noon Eastern time, 9 a.m. Pacific time. And it looks like they will be available on the RoseCraft site. Something that some of these patterns that have released recently have not been. The dealers have been buying them all up. So, the Tanasi Lake is available at the RoseCraft site. They're coming out $63. Now, of course, you buy them at the RoseCraft website. Use code BigRedEDC. Save yourself 10%. If you shop at Traditiaonal Pocket Knives, go over there. Use code BigRed10. It'll be down. I'll pin a comment down in the description and down in the comments. So it'll be there. You don't have to remember anything. It'll all be written out for you. So, excellent selection on cover materials, Andy. They look absolutely fantastic. And hold on to your hats, guys, because you've got a popular, very popular pattern coming out of the vault in 2 of the most, I believe, 2 of the most popular cover materials that RoseCraft have done. So, keep your eyes open for that. Go get your Tanasi Lakes, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.